Hello and welcome to Slow Foxtrot Seminar Basic and Beyond. Idea is to show how we can build free advanced figures from basic figures which we can find in technique books. And today we will look at reverse outside swivel and reverse pivot. Let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And we start with reverse outside swivel, which is tango figure, and we can use first three steps: quick, quick, slow. There is continuation in tango with step and tap without weight. Today we will use different timing. We will use quick, quick and then we will continue with step and reverse pivot. Now let's look at outside swivel. Quick, quick, slow. Again. And quick, quick, slow. Now we will continue with step forward and step and pivot. Quick, quick and quick, quick. Let's do this with a teaching count. And quick, quick and quick, quick. So we have one bar. And again from opposite angle. And quick, quick and quick, quick. Very good. Now we will continue with back three steps slow, quick, quick heel pull, and curve feather ending. Let's pay attention to a few things here. When a man dances backward three-step footwork, I will describe it as this. So we do release front toe, release, and here is no release. This is important for man. And also when we dance pull step, footwork is heel, inside edge of foot, whole foot. Advanced dancers use slightly different technique. They add heel. So we can dance heel, inside edge of foot, and again heel. And notice left leg creates nice line. Same principle is for lady. When man dance pull step, she ends with nice leg line in free foot. Let's look at Andrejs and Kornelija. So we dance heel pull and finish in almost line figure. Let's do it again. And heel pull, finishing in line. And now let's remember what we said about back three step. Footwork, release, release, no release. And let's look at Andrejs and Kornelija. And slow, quick, quick. Very good. And now let's put all these things together in a routine. So we start with feather step, then reverse outside swivel with reverse pivot, back three step, heel pull, and curve feather ending. With the teaching count, dancers will do, of course, preparation step, and after preparation, feather step, reverse outside swivel, reverse pivot, back 3 step, heel pull and curve feather ending. And now from opposite angle with the teaching count. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow and quick, quick. And now to music. Our wonderful demonstrators Andrejs and Kornelija. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal experience with me with Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.